Hey y'all, it's Ellie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another exciting video for you because I have my Wantable active edit. I absolutely love Wantable. If you haven't seen Wantable videos on my channel before, definitely go check them out. I will leave my most recent one, which definitely was the best so far, up in the cards for you. If you're unfamiliar with Wantable, they are a styling service. You can get it on a subscription cadence where you can do every month, every season, every couple weeks, as needed. It's definitely very customizable. They have 4 different options. They have their women's fashion, which is their women's style, which is just more of their regular clothing. They have their women's active, which is the one that I'm going to be doing today, and that is everything that is very active, loungewear, athleisure style. They have their sleep and body, which is their lingerie and sleepwear edit. And then they have their men's edit, which is more style and active, kind of an athleisure side of things for men. So like I said, today we're opening our active edit. I will leave my link down below so you can save $25 off your first purchase. So definitely give them a try. It's $25 worth of free clothes, so you really can't go wrong. Let's go ahead and dive in. So as usual, I took off the tissue paper so it isn't making too much noise, but this is what my bundle is looking like. On the top, we do have our card, which has all of the pricing as well as a message from our stylist. I like to keep that for the end, so it's a surprise. We also do have our return envelope here where you can put back anything you don't like or don't want, and it's through USPS, so you can just schedule a pickup. Super easy to do. Then we have all the goodies, which are our clothes. So let's go ahead and see what we have here. First thing I'm noticing is this pretty light pink, oh, it's a tank top, okay, not my favorite thing, but here we are. And this is a graphic tank top. I'm not sure how I feel about this color just because it's exactly the color of my skin, so I think it's gonna wash me out a bit. And it says, let your soul guide the way, but it's interesting because it says like, let the soul and then guide the way. Not 100% sure how I feel about this. It is super soft and I like the design. I just don't know how I like the color, but we'll definitely try it on. See, I am happy to be proven wrong. Then we have a shirt from Task, which is my boyfriend's favorite brand. He has so many items from Wantable from Task that he loves. And this is a short sleeve t-shirt for working out. It is a very nice fabric. It is very bright orange. I'm not 100% sure how I feel about this for my skin tone either, but it's definitely super soft. So I'm excited to try that. Ooh, then we have something. I'm gonna like this. I already know I'm gonna like this. This is incredibly soft and it says kindness is cool, which I totally agree. Kindness is cool. It's a kind of a cropped long sleeve. I wouldn't really say it's a sweatshirt, but it's definitely on the thicker side. Oh, this is cute. Oh my goodness, it's so soft too. Okay, ooh, and I noticed thumb holes. I'm a big fan of thumb holes. Comment down below, do you like thumb holes or do you hate them? I feel like it's very polarizing. I love them. Every long sleeve should have them. I'm excited this one does. Okay, that's already exciting. Then we have what look like a pair of joggers. These are from Marika and they're in a beautiful gray color. I definitely like the feel of these. I feel like these are gonna be really, really comfortable and they're definitely on the soft side. They're almost the exact same color as the Halara joggers that I just shared in my last video. I'll leave that up in the cards if you missed it. It is a very good haul. I really like this. I love joggers. I love anything that is this kind of like brownish gray. This one's definitely a little bit more gray than it's showing up on camera. I'm excited. Okay, great. Great. Wow, that was bad, but I liked it. Okay, and then we have a super thick turtleneck sweatshirt. Oh, this is nice quality. Okay, so I wouldn't say it's like a turtleneck as much more of like a cowl neck. It's definitely thick, like I said. And probably more of a jacket. It does look like it's full length and there is a zipper here on the side that doesn't go all the way up, just kind of on the side. So not sure if that's just a stylistic detail. Yeah, it looks like there's zippers on both sides, so that's kind of cool. And then it is super soft on the inside as well. So I'm excited to see what that looks like on because I can't really tell when I'm holding it up. Then we have a pair of leggings, it looks like. One piece of tissue paper in between. These are also very similar in color to the last Halara video that I shared. So again, that's up in the cards. Definitely check it out. These are definitely a cropped legging from what I can tell, and they do have some pockets on the side, which is always appreciated. The fabric quality it feels like nice quality, but I'm not sure if I like it. It's almost kind of like a brushed microfiber, which I don't love for working out. So I'm excited to try them and see how they fit, but I usually don't love cropped leggings, so that'll be interesting. Oh, and then we have these. Another pair of joggers in a beautiful blue color. These are so pretty. And what brand are these from? These are from Interval, which I think we have something else from them in this haul too. These are such a pretty blue. I absolutely love them. They're definitely on the thin side, but they'd probably just be around the house joggers, so doesn't seem to bother me too much. We'll see how they feel on. Ugh, they're so soft. Okay, I'm really excited. Let's try all this stuff on. Okay, so for the first outfit, I went ahead and put on this tank top and these amazing blue pants. Like I was kind of expecting, this color is not very flattering on me, and there is a little bit of kind of extra fabric here. I do think the design is really pretty, so if it came in a long sleeve, or even a short sleeve in a different color, I definitely would consider it, but this is just not for me. However, these pants are a different story. So they are so soft and comfy. I absolutely love the fabric, and I think this color is so fun. I don't have anything like this in my closet, so I definitely like these. I'll kind of back up so you can see the length here. They fit me perfectly right to my ankle, so that's definitely a win. I definitely will be getting these pants for sure. Okay, for the next outfit, we have on this orange shirt and the gray joggers. Like I was expecting, again, this color just doesn't look very good on my skin tone, and it is see-through. I am wearing a white bra and you can totally see it, but it is super soft. So I definitely consider this shirt in another color, but not this one. And then these joggers are super soft and I do really like them, but they're definitely just way too big on me. So, you know, always a good feeling, but definitely not quite what I want. That being said, I would consider getting them just because they're so comfy, and I kind of don't mind when pants are too big. So the length again on these is pretty good. They're definitely a little short, but I don't mind that for joggers. I feel like it kind of adds to the bunching style, and I do love the fabric, so I definitely consider it. We'll just kind of see what the price looks like. Okay, I went ahead and threw on this little long sleeve shirt, and I do really like it. I love the thumb holes, and I just love how it feels. I'm definitely a little bit worried that this is gonna be super expensive, so if it's a good deal, I'll definitely consider it, but I have a feeling it's gonna be like 50 bucks or something, so we'll see. But I do love the fabric. I feel like this would be a really good gift for someone in your life that's very kind, so I don't know, could be a cute little Christmas gift for somebody, but maybe just for myself too. Okay, so first I have this jacket, which is kind of throwing me for a loop. I'm not really sure what's going on here. So like I said, it is kind of a cowl neck. It's definitely a pretty tall cowl neck, but it's definitely pretty wide. And then it does have the zippers on the side, which are more of a fashion thing for sure. It does have pockets in the front, and it is really soft, but it's just such a weird shape. I don't really like it. I'm not really sure what's going on. And then we have these leggings, which are also kind of strange. They have just like so much extra fabric up here, and also like in the crotch area, so they don't really fit me very well. I don't know. Lengthwise, they're kind of just that cropped where it almost looks like it's not supposed to be cropped. Like it just looks like they're too short. So both of these are definitely going to be a no. Okay, so as usual with Wantable, it was a bit of a mixed bag, so we'll definitely go through some prices and kind of make our decisions based on that. So we'll start with the stuff I know I'm not gonna get. First, we have the orange t-shirt from Task. This is $48. Not too bad, but definitely more than I would spend on something like this. So definite no. Then we have the Guide the Way muscle tank in vintage pink in a large from Spiritual Gangster. This one is also $48. Again, little more than I'd want to spend on something like this. So that one's a no. Then we have the purple leggings. These are the Laurel ankle leggings in Fig from Fundamental Coast. These are $68, which isn't horrible for leggings. They're just not for me. Then we have this ultra thick jacket. This is the Serenity mock neck pullover in black from MPG Sport. This is $82. I should treat this like gold. Okay. Just gonna delicately set that in the no pile. Moving on to the stuff that I'm a little questionable about, we have 3 pieces. The graphic pullover Kindness is Cool in black from Horizon. This was originally $60, so I was not far off, and it is actually $45, so it's a little bit closer to what I was thinking. I feel like $50 is just a little bit much for a cropped long sleeve shirt. I do really like it, but not $50 worth. Then we have the Millie joggers in Magnet, and these are from Marika. These are also in a large, and these are $70. That's just a little bit too much for me for something that doesn't fit me perfectly. I definitely like them, so if they go on sale, I'll consider it, but they're a little bit too much for me now. And then lastly, we have my favorite piece, which are these blue joggers. These are the ribbed detailed joggers in Jade from Interval. They were originally $52, but they are now on sale for $39. So that's definitely something I would consider getting, considering you do get your styling free. I can't talk. You do get your styling fee credited back, so I would get $21 off of that $39, which would definitely make these a lot more affordable. So it's definitely something I will consider for myself. If you're interested in trying Wantable yourself, and hopefully it goes more like my last video than this one for you, definitely use my link down below so you can get $25 off your first purchase. You will get $25 off plus your styling fee waived, so I believe you will get $46 worth of free clothes. So definitely check the terms, but that's what I believe. So check that link to get some free clothes and let me know what your thoughts are down below. If you subscribe to Wantable, I'd love to know if your Reddits have been going better for you than mine have. So definitely let me know that as well. If you aren't already subscribed, I would love for you to click that button and join the community for me. I love getting to have you here, and I really appreciate you taking the time to come hang out with me. So would love even more if you stick around for the next one. If you do, I really appreciate it. And in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!